Alright, cool, we're good. Okay, cool. Should be live. So, Forex market analysis for July 29th, 2019. Okay. Just making sure. Um, let's get into it. Fuck. Alright. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. It's coming down, testing that support. Looking for a double bottom here. See, this daily candle closes in 5 minutes. Didn't get what I wanted today. We got a spinning top candle. Indecision. Doesn't really know where to go. What do I think's coming? Where's my arrows? I still think it's got to test. It needs to break this low. We're gonna get a massive RSI divergence, and we'll get our bottom. We'll see though. But that's what I'm looking for. On CHF, we have our short position, which is extremely healthy right now, and it's breaking this minor support that I wanted to break. And now we're just riding it out. At about 1.5 risk to reward currently. We're aiming for three thereabout. We're aiming for this support level because that's where I think it's coming down to test. We do have to watch for Fibonacci retracements, so we'll keep our eye on those. However, I don't think we're going to have any problems. I don't. We'll see though. We'll keep our eye on 0.618, 0.5, all those areas. But the other thing that's holding this together is this minor support. Now, if this were to break, if price were to come back up and aggressively break through this, I'd close, because that would be my tell to me that this caught support. But as of now, and there would have to be, it also have to have set and setting. I'd have to see, was there a fib that it retraced from? Where did it come from? So, but Australian dollar, offshore Chinese yuan, touching this weird, awkward kind of channel support, trend support at least at the very minimum. It is a pennant based off this move down, in my opinion. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Excuse me. Nothing there. Norwegian krone. Nothing. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, nothing. Polish zloty, pullback. Breakout pullback. Would love to see a top on this. Would love to see a top on this. Something like that. We'll see. I don't think I'll get it, but I would love to see that. Bitcoin US dollar, trying to catch some support there. Nice bubble pop. Nothing. Ooh, whoa. What's going on here? Okay. Canadian dollar, Norwegian krone. Ah, man. What do I think of this? What do I think about this? God. What do I think about this? Well, where are we on this RSI too? We diverged? Yeah, we're pretty diverged. Ugh, these are both, this is an inside candle based on this move here. What's the 4-hour telling us? Wow. I don't know. We'll see. I still think it's going to top out here. I'm still confident in that. So, we'll see. Canadian dollar, Polish zloty. Ooh. What's going on here? It's a big break. That's a big break. If it moves higher, we'll see. We'll look for a breakout pullback, but this could be a short selling opportunity, to be honest with you. On this weekly, though, check out this weekly. Check out this weekly. Let me get rid of some of this stuff here. Fuck. I don't know. I mean, you tell me. It's there, but then it failed. It didn't go, didn't break. But now we're getting this kind of cup and handle. I don't know. We do have this ascending. It's ascending too. It's an ascending triangle. So I'm expecting a break. And the distance of the projected distance of an ascending is the resistance. Fuck. To the base. That first move down, drawing the resistance and that support trend line. That's usually your projected. So yeah, I mean, we could see price head back up to these highs again. If it breaks, it's trying. It has. It has here, but needs a little more behind it. So we'll see. Man, I really want to listen to music, but I don't want to get copyright strike. I wonder if Tool will give me a copyright strike. I doubt it, but I'm not gonna risk it. Okay, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Nothing. Swiss franc, Norwegian krone. Nothing. Well, not necessarily nothing, but not too. Yeah, I looked at that every day. I look at that every day and go, oh, well, maybe. This trade closed, but I don't know why these are still here. This trade closed. Yeah, quick trade. I just wanted in and out. The reason being, while there is this great trend line support up, and this was the third touch, and I'm confident that it's. I mean, it's a bullish trend line. It was a strong momentum move up. You can see the momentum here. It's a strong move up, but I'm not gonna fuck around. I'm not gonna hold a position long term in a triangle where I don't know where it's heading. So, but it broke through this resistance pretty strong. Maybe I should have held it for longer. And it does look like we're getting an interesting formation here. I'm not going to say that we are or we will, but I mean there is a possibility for that. Maybe I should have held it for longer, but we got in and out, 2-to-1 risk reward, and that was it. So I can't complain. You know, I can't complain about that. Real quick and easy, but I don't know. I mean, it's just like I look at that, I'm like I can't. So yeah, that closed today. Euro Canadian dollar, I'm still waiting for that to pull back. Yeah, this is wedging down still, but it's about to break though. It needs to break. It desperately needs to break. Excuse me. Ugh. Interesting. Euro Czech Corona. That is a inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And we got a breakout today. Now, the spread on this is 35, so me being able to trade it, and that's the difference between the buy and the sell. I don't know. Me being able to trade it, a little iffy. So, but that is a really nice inverse head and shoulders. Where is price heading? Let's take a look, shall we? Where is price heading? I mean, yeah, it's going to break out of this, it looks like. It could not, though. It could. Honestly, what might be happening, what I might have missed. No, okay, I didn't miss that. Alright. Yeah, we'll see. That's where price is heading. If we can get a breakout pullback, and I really want to take a trade on this, I might, but time being, though. Really nice head and shoulders, though, inverse. Euro Danish krone, nothing there. Euro British pound, holy fuck. I am so glad I got out of this trade. I am so glad I got out of this trade last Friday. I was like, you know what? I don't want to be the way the euro was moving that Friday. I was like, Why am I short this? Why am I short this? And now I see why I got out, because Jesus. Damn, that's a massive move. What the fuck? That's full blown exhaustion. Like, I do think it's heading lower after this. That is, I mean, that's an exhaustive candle for sure. I don't. In fact, I would even be looking for a fucking short on the 5 minute from this, because you're gonna get a strong move down, in my opinion. Look at that. Oh my fucking god, that's ridiculous. That is absurd. Honestly, yeah, I mean, watching the 5 minute on this could be pretty entertaining. I might even have to keep my eye on it and look for a nice short setup, which is what it's looking like setting up here, right here. But I'm actually going to do that. Euro HKD. Keep my eye on that. Alright. But what am I seeing here long term? Well, long term, we're going to see. This could move higher still. It could still move higher, but we're going to see a breakout. Well, we saw the breakout. We're going to see a pullback. So, to this top trend line. Most likely. We could not. It could be such a strong move that it just continues. And we're going to probably see a retest of this high, and we'll go from there. But, yeah. That's it. Wish I had more coffee. It's a good move. Really good move. Euro HKD is where we were. Alright. I'm going to get some more coffee real quick. Sorry, probably you raped you with that. Euro Hong Kong dollar still wedging down. I'm still ready for that to start. Well, we'll see. I don't know where it's heading, to be honest with you, but yeah, I don't know, man. We'll see. Euro Hungarian forint, that's breaking out. Wow. Eesh. I don't know, man. I feel like these are all getting set up for a massive fade. We'll see. Can't even trade that. That's Euro Japanese yen. Oh wow, I didn't even see that engulfing candle. Yeah, so it retested this low, R side divergence. It's a bottom. We're actually probably going to see a pretty good move up from this, to be honest with you. It's not like a preferred, it's not something I would touch, just because I don't like how it is, but I'd say we're probably going to see at least a move to this trend line. We'll see. Well, maybe. We'll see. But I actually would like to see a move to that trend line, because I would get short then. We'll see. Euro Mexican peso. Still in this wedge, kind of descending wedge. And it has another wedge here, a micro level here. It's just got to break out. It's like the euro. Looks like the euro. Just needs to catch a bottom. Okay, Euro Norwegian krone triangle. Sitting in that triangle. Honestly, if I took, well, I can't trade it because of the spread, but if I took that other one, I should have took this one, to be honest with you. But yeah, iffy. This Euro New Zealand dollar. Now this is nice. I don't want to see this break out, to be honest with you. I want to see a heavy shooting star bearish candle here, and we're not seeing that. So Kind of sucks. Kind of sad about that. I am still going to keep my eye on this because I still think we might see that. What's the 4 hour showing? Let's take a look. Yeah, these aren't perfect. All right, 4 hours showing exactly what I want to see. Now we might even, I might have to get short on the 4 hour. So we got inside candles here. It's consolidating. It's ready to go down. It's yeah, that's that's another one we're gonna have to watch. I could even take it on the hourly if it tests this high again, which I think it will. We have a bearish engulfing here, all these inside candles, and it's getting on the 15-minute. Probably looks like a triangle, kind of. Yeah, probably getting a little triangle here, which tells me sometimes when we see triangles at tops like this, it's gonna retest that top again, that high. But that top trend line's pretty bearish. Yeah, this is something we might have to take on the 4 hour because this is the candle I'm looking for. So I wanted to see in the daily, and this is this third touch. That's third or fourth touch is where you want to be on a trend line. After the fourth is like ooh, and after the fourth, it's bound to be broken pretty soon. I mean, sure you could get a fifth and a sixth and a seventh touch, but yeah. And I would have loved to see at least a retracement to this support resistance line because that is a decent level. That area at least. It's probably more so here than anything. Based on these moves, these nearest moves, you want to go with the nearest typically, at least for the short term. So yeah, I mean, if I were to take a position on this, which I'm considering, it would look something like this. Yeah, and we try and get a short down to here at least. We'll see. We'll see. We see the 50 and 100 moving averages are pretty spread, which tells you that there was a pretty sharp move. And typically when that happens, there's going to be a retracement, oftentimes. And I trust, of course I trust this downtrend more than anything else. So yeah, I was looking for it on the daily, but honestly I don't think I'd be able to get good enough risk to reward on that. And let's take a look here. We are at just about 0.618 fib retracement. Could we see a breakout? Yeah, we could. We could see a breakout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corrective wave 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Another thing to be wary of there. Okay. Yeah, I'll keep my eye on that. Keep my eye on that. Euro PLN is next. Alright, keep that up here. Euro PLN, Euro PLN. Wow. This is another position I'm very glad I got out of. This is another one I closed that Friday. I closed it that Friday. At like $5 profit or something. And I was like, whoa, like what is going on? Now I don't want to touch the euro anymore. I should have thought about that because the euro was catching a bottom. This kind of confirms to me that I think it is. So, yeah, that's getting faded. That's a fade. We had a triangle. It broke lower, and the sellers just couldn't hold it. Buyers didn't buy it. Well, they did buy it, and yeah, this is getting faded now. So. Euro Swedish krona breakout pullback. I probably shouldn't be drinking coffee this late considering it's 7. But I didn't realize it was so late. Interesting. I wanted to take this too, maybe. I was considering it. Only thing is we don't have this RSI divergence that I'm looking for. We do have it here, don't we? Yeah, we do have it there, but I wanted to see this low get taken out, and I'm not seeing that, so I'm just not going to touch it. Here's our buddy Euro USD. I think that's catching the bottom, but excuse me. But I just don't see what I'm looking for. Just don't see it. But it's see, it's such a weak bottom. Look at that. I mean, it's only Monday, but and I think I remember we're at 0.618. Yeah, so it's due, man. It's due. I don't want to hesitate on this. I don't want to miss that first move up. That's the thing. I mean, if I do, I can always take it on the weekly, but I don't like taking a trade on the weekly, especially on the euro. Something I can day trade. I don't know if I want to hold a position that long on that. Yeah, it'd be something like this. I don't know where it's heading. It's so ugly to look at. I don't know. I gotta wait for things to tell themselves, to telegraph themselves to me. So, wow, that got faded. Ooh, are we on this? Okay, good. You sure now? Jesus Christ. Jesus, that's a breakout. That's pretty much a breakout. Yeah, we're breaking out here. To the low side. I don't know if I buy that one either. I don't know if I buy any of these sharp moves. I don't buy them. I'm glad they happen because they accelerate things. Get some volatility in the markets, but now that's a big breakout. Now that I did not think was coming, to be honest with you. I thought it was catching support here. That's a big breakout. We next check that inverse head and shoulders. It's pretty nice right here. That's really nice. It's a really nice pattern. Yeah, the next support and resistance is all the way down here. So, Jesus, these lines are huge. Whatever, we'll even them. Let's hurry it up. Yes, I'm waiting for this to test this low. I cannot wait for that. British pound MXN. Nope, nothing there. I want to touch. Why is this not graphed? Well, I know why, because I can't trade it, because the spread is huge. But this is massive support, and it's going to test this bottom. So, if you can trade it, there's your setup. Keep an eye on that. Yeah. Ooh. Broke this trend line. Man. Some of these moves. Chain link, imagine. Imagine holding that. Alright, let's hurry it up here. Let's hurry it up. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. This is our short. What's happening here? What's happening? Let's take a look. I'm not worried. What's happening? Looks like it's going to do a breakout pullback. Very brief, maybe. We'll see. Well, I don't know. That's pretty early, though. If it's anything more than like a 3-candle thing, I'm going to be like, well, I don't know. But I expect just a short move, maybe just even to here. Like even to there, or even just a little higher, maybe this 100 moving average. But I do expect this to continue down. So, in the long term, we'll see. We'll see. Ooh, look at that. Do I trust this though? Do I trust this little pennant after this sharp move down? No, I don't. I really don't. I do not. But that is a setup if you want it. If you trust this trend line, there's your setup. Right there. Do I trust this trend line? I do expect a retracement, but I don't know if I trust this trend line. I think it's ready to be broken, in my opinion. it doesn't look strong. It's weak. It's weak. Yep, this is what I thought. I thought I was getting ready to be shorted. It's still just riding that though. It's just riding this up. But this is it. I think this is the top here. This is massive support or resistance. We just don't have that RSI divergence I'm looking for. But I do think it's still an amazing setup. I think this is the top. We have it here. We do have it here. Okay. Yeah, you know what? We're going to take a short out on this, I think. Few reasons. This resistance trend line, this resistance line. We don't have the RSI divergence I'm looking for, but we do have this extremely strong top. More reasons, Fibonacci for sure. There's definitely a Fibonacci line up here. Let me make sure before I 0.618, exactly a 0.618. I don't think it's going higher than this. So that's what I think. US dollar versus Danish krone. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to take a short out on this. What's the 4-hour telling me? For the time being, that's probably what I'm seeing. I don't know. I can't be sure because it's not really my key setup, what I'm looking for usually. So I'm going to sit on this one some more. Well, indecision, inside candle, bearish inside candle, bearish inside candle. It's more than 3 reasons to enter. I just don't like how this looks. It's just not ideal, but 0.618 retracement. It's due for another corrective leg. I mean, it is. It's due for another leg. Another leg down from here. So, at least. Yeah. Yep, I'm confident in that. So, extend this a little bit here. Alright, we're going to take this out. Hopefully this doesn't dox me. The spread isn't too bad on this. I hope I don't get spread raped. 432. Take profit, 950. Our risk is 2%. And that's bueno. Alright, cool. US dollar, Hong Kong dollar. Here's our pullback. Well, it's been riding this again too. Similar to what I just showed, because this is the US dollar Norwegian krone. We had this triple top. We actually got short on this. We made a pretty good coin on it. And it's pulling back now. But inverted head and shoulders here. Just like most of these pairs. got silver. Silver's still breaking out. US dollar. That's topping for sure. Gold euro. Gold pound. What about gold US dollar? Excuse me. Alright, that's everything. Actually, I want to check the Dow. Where is that? Do I have that in here? I don't think I do. Where's the Dow Jones? I probably have it somewhere weird. I don't think I have that on here. Let me check. DJI. What the fuck? There we go, okay. Alright, that's everything. I'm calling it there. Hope you enjoyed. Got any questions? Comment below. That'll be it. Thank you.